Good morning from the Raymond Ranch. This is my first attempt at making a YouTube video. You can see the colors are a little strange for what I'm showing you, and that's due to the LED light, which is moving back and forth here on a motor system. I'm going to talk about that in a little bit, but that way, just wanted to tell you up front why it looks so weird. So anyway, what you're looking at here is our prototype aquaponics system. And aquaponics is the combination of hydroponics with aquaculture. You get those two words together and you get aquaponics. So you may know that hydroponics is growing things without dirt. So what you're looking at here is a grow bed that has a few vegetables in it, some broccoli and some other things that my wife has chosen that I don't really know the name of. And they're growing with no dirt. The benefit of this is that you don't have any disease or rot. You don't have to have a lot of land in order to grow. This can really help out with some of the world's food problems. And you get a lot better crop because you have really controlled capabilities such as your ammonia and pH and nitrogen levels, your temperature levels. So we're going to talk about that quite a bit here on the Raymond Ranch. Just wanted to give you an introduction to it. In order to make the grow beds work, you have to have fish. And it's no different than in normal agriculture where you have fertilizers. In this case we're using little redhead minnows. Here they are back here. As the fish do their thing, that water is pumped up through the pump that you can see there in the screen. It goes up and comes into the grow bed right here. As the grow bed fills up with water, eventually the water fills up to a certain level, in which case a siphon valve here empties the entire grow bed and it goes back down in the fish tank. As that water gets into the grow bed, bacteria grow that convert the ammonia that comes out of the fish gills and the nitrogen out of the fish feces, converts it into usable forms that the plants can then utilize as fertilizer, as nutrients. It's a really nice closed loop system, just the way that nature and God intended it to be. We're really excited about this here at the Raymond Ranch. Again, this is just our prototype scale. We're going to be having a lot larger scale once we prove that we can do this. It's not really new technology. People have been doing this for quite some time. The challenge with aquaponics, from my perspective, is the capital cost to get it all going. So things like this LED light here are not inexpensive. This one's about $200. We have it moving back and forth on a motor system. This helps us keep the number of lights that we need down to a minimum, and also replicates nature's sunset, sunrise cycle. You can see it going there. Anyway, just wanted to do an introduction. I'm working on getting better equipment and trying to learn how to do YouTube videos, so I appreciate any critiques and suggestions to get started. I'm a greenhorn, so we'll figure it out how it goes from here. Thanks for tuning in to the Raymond Ranch.